Good morning. Morning, Dave. Let's move these trucks in. Clock in, everyone.
The thickness is exactly within tolerance.
Excellent. These bars are checking out on dimensions as well. Hold that steady. Needs to be tighter. Almost done here. All right, slowly now.
Watching it, hold steady.
Just a bit lower.
Perfect.
The sensor array is stable. Let's seal the chamber now. Initiating closure. Pressure levels are nominal.
Tank is tight.
Solid.
Solid weld. Let's test the seal.
System check complete. Initiating sequence. All systems green.
Looks like everything's in spec. Yeah.
Just need to tighten this one here.
Perfect. Final check.
All good.
Keep the tension on the strap. Okay, got it. Watch your fingers, I'm nailing this. Forklift's got it secure. All right, let's get this moving. Clear the path, wide load coming through. She's good to go, on her way to the client.